Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. One of the most used items in my kitchen and something I genuinely reach for almost every time I cook are these SMARTAKE parchment papers. So these are pre-cut 12 by 16 inch sheets, which means they fit my baking sheet perfectly. I don't have to fold them, trim them, or fight curled edges. What is worse than curled edges? I hate that. So I use this parchment for so many things. When I bake bread, it makes transferring the dough easy and stress-free. Nothing sticks to it. When I make my eggplant parm, nothing sticks to it. After I've baked it in the oven, everything lives cleanly. Cleanup is practically effortless. But let me tell you one of my absolute favorite ways to use it, and that's when I cook fish. You actually see the fish skin sticking to the parchment instead of my baking dish. So that means the salmon lifts right off, the skin stays behind. I'm not scrubbing the pan afterward and like wanting to throw the pan away because I'm so frustrated. It's a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference. So I also use these to protect against splashes, like when I'm cooking my quiche or a pie in my oven. If things bubble over, it keeps the pan clean, it keeps my oven clean. I need a lot of help keeping my oven clean. So I really appreciate this amazing parchment paper. It's nonstick, unbleached. There's nothing added to it that I don't want on my food. So it's no unnecessary extras. It's just clean and reliable performance every time. So it's one of those like quiet kitchen essentials. It doesn't ask for attention, but it never lets me down. And that is my point of view.